In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export several pages as PDF in Figma. If you've designed across multiple pages and want a clean single PDF, this walkthrough will keep everything organized and in the right order. Without any confusion, start by opening your design file in Figma. On the left side, open the Pages panel so you can see all the pages in your file. Your goal here is simple. Gather the frames you want into one place. Go into each page that contains a frame you want to include. Select those frames and copy them. Then switch to the single page where you want everything to live and paste them there. You are not changing your original design. You are just collecting the frames in one spot to control the export. With all your frames now on one page, arrange them in the exact order you want them to appear in the final PDF. Place them from left to right and then top to bottom. This matters because Figma reads that visual flow when exporting. Think of it like reading a book left to right across the row, then down to the next row. If two frames are misaligned, the order might not be what you expect. So take a moment to position them deliberately. Keep a little space between frames so it's easy to see the sequence and make sure nothing overlaps, which can confuse the export order. Once you are happy with the layout, select all the frames on that page. You can drag a selection box around them or click to select them one by one while holding a modifier key to add to the selection. The key is that all the frames you plan to export are highlighted together. Now move to the top left corner of Figma and click the Figma icon. From the menu that opens, go to File, then choose Export Frames to PDF. Figma will process your selection and generate a single PDF that places each frame as its own page. Following the left to right, top to bottom order you set. When the download finishes, open the PDF to confirm everything looks right. You should see every selected frame combined into one document, in the exact sequence you arranged. If something's out of order, just adjust the arrangement on that single page and export again. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.